Hello and welcome to part 2 of trains at Peterborough on the East Coast Mainline, where we will continue to see services from LNER, Thameslink, Greater Anglia, probably Hull Trains and Grand Central, and East Midlands Trains and cross country, and I'm sure plenty more freight to be seen as well. So let's see what shall turn up. Okay, our first train of the day to pass through is going to be an LNER 225 set from Leeds to London King's Cross. Leading the way is 203. On the route is Intercity 50 91128. Okay, our first freight train of part 2 is going to be a 66 from... not somebody else. Yeah, I know who it's from. I'm trying to work out who it's from. It's 66432, the return of our little grotty DRS number, going from Whitemore Yard to Scunthorpe. Getting ready for a driver change by the looks of things. Okay, and down in the distance is going to be a Grand Central Adelante from Sunderland to London King's Cross. This is worked by 180 106.
That was 104, Joe.
Okay, and the next train to pass by is another Grand Central Adelante. This is bound for Bradford Foster Square. And I couldn't tell you the numbers in that one.
108.
Okay, 66423 is slowly on her way. However pointless it may be, she has a red in front of her. And then down behind that we have a Greater Anglia Turbo Star coming in with a service from Ipswich. Worked by 170 272. Okay, the next train to arrive is a late running East Midlands train service bound for Norwich. It should be working the 11:41. It's worked by 158 865. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be an LNER 225 set with a service bound for Edinburgh Waverley. Gliding on through is 911122. And 82228 on the rear. And down in the distance is another LNER 225 set with a service bound for London King's Cross. Leading this is 82202. As 158865 is now departing with the delayed 1141 at East Midlands Trains service to Norwich. Okay, the next train driver is a late running Thameslink service from Three Bridges. And snaking her way in is 700-137. Okay, and now departing is going to be the 1150 LNER service to London King's Cross. This is working this service from Glasgow Central. Fusiliers 91118. There's also coming in is another GBRF Class 66. This is presumably bound for Mount Sorrel sidings. I shall quickly check, bear with me. I can't seem to find it, but here it is either way, and it is worked by 66726. As now departing is the 1152 Greater Anglia service to Ipswich.
You did so. Look, here comes your beast.
Okay, coming in is 43311. It's going to be working the 1153 LNER HSD service to Leeds. With the special Hull liveries buffet counter car. On the rear is East Midlands Trains power car 43075. As 700-137 is departing with the Thameslink service bound for Horsham. Mechanic's party is going to be the 1153 East Midlands Train service, LNER service to Leeds. Clanging away beautifully. Okay, and coming in is 17639 with a cross-country turbo-star service bound for Birmingham New Street. The previous GBRF 66 that came in was from, well, it was going from Whitemoor Yard to Mount Sarrel.
The most taffiest boxes ever.
Okay, 66423 is finally on the go to Scunthorpe with its engineer's train. This army of rails.
And a crane.
And if you're doing about turn, we'll find coming in the 1159 LNER service to with 91126 leading. And bringing up the rear is going to be 82229. Okay, the next train to come in is a terminating Thameslink service from Horsham, worked by 700 111.
Ooh, I stole that.
Okay, the next train to Peterborough is going to be the 1210 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross. Leading the way is 82200 and the 91 I shall get upon their departure. As we also have coming through a GBRF Class 66 from Middleton Towers, bound for Barnby. It's GBRF 66731. Into Hub GB. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be LNER HST from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Looks like that GBRF was holding their new wagons, though, so they do look good. Okay, giving it the beans is 43329. Another rear is 314. Okay, as parting is the 1210 LNER service to London King's Cross.
Put a HST on the Royal Mail train. Convert them into a mail train.
Okay, on the rear is Durham Cathedral, 92114. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a Grand Central Adelante bound for Sunderland. Road by 180-104. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1218 LNER service to Edinburgh Waverley, worked by one of their 225 sets. Leading the way is 91108.
Virgin Trains. They're going to Virgin. They're going to Virgin West Coast. Not London Northeastern Railway, they're one of them.
And on the rear is H2222. And we have an Adelante bus pass by. 180-111 with the service from Hull to London King's Cross. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be an NLR HST with the service bound for Leeds. Giving it the beans is going to be 43316. And on the rear is 43305, looking rather clean. Okay, now departing is 700-11 with the 1224 Thameslink service to Horsham. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 1226 East Midlands Train service to Liverpool Lime Street, booked by 158862. Okay, the next train to arrive is the late running 1219 cross-country service to Stansted Airport, worked by one of their 3-car turbo stars. It's worked by 17637, as down in the distance is a DB Cargo UK Class 67 hauling a dead 91 from Grantham to Bounds Green.
Where's the rest of the train? Where's the rest of the unit? Yeah, this is comical. He's missing something. Where's the rest of the train?
Okay, so taking this is 67010 in full DB red. As we have a Adelante bus pass by, 180-110 with the service from London King's Cross down to Hull. and being towed even, is 91106. Present departing is 17637 with the delay